Hello everyone, welcome to ar.arena channel. In this video, we will speak about post-production regarding to one of our projects that we have like a rendered space photo and how we can use some programs from the Photoshop and Lux Builder to make the final post-production of this photo. This is the final result. After the post-production, we will learn how we can make this effects, how we can reach to the good calculation and points to make the photo more rich and more realistic. So let's start with this photo. First in Photoshop, I will, from script, I will load file into stack. In this case, I will not make like a normal opening regarding to I get outside from the 3D Max some filters, not only the photo that I need to make the post-production in. So if I come back here in this rendered photo, I use already from the 3D Max corner render, and I get some filters from this render that I need to use and put it as a layer. So my main photo, it will be this one after the shading light mix that I already used on the 3D Max. And I will use also raw component and source environment reflect and reflect, and also I will use normal dot products, normal geometry, and z depth. After I put it, I click OK. He will put all this layer on one file, like loadings here. And then I can start my main photo. This is the main photo. After this, I will start to put source color. And the source color, I will make it as a screen and reduce like 10%. In this point, the source color, if you see the difference, it can give me the little bit sense of the color that I used for the max, and also he reduced a little bit of the dark points and give it the real color from this photo. And then I will go to reflect. From reflect, I will also make as a screen, and let's say here 50%. So as you can see now, and this one, I can see the more good quality in that one. After that, I will go to the reflect, and in this case, I will make also screen, and from this layer, I can make it as this sampler. You can give me the feeling of the sun. Click OK and just reduce a little bit, like 30%. As you can see now, the feeling here is more better. After that, I will go to the normal dot product. And this layer, I like to use it because also it can show me in detail all the lines of the product and the photo that I already made. So I will make this as an overlay and just reduce it, let's say 10%. So as I can see, if you focus on this point, it already show all the ceiling gypsum work more better. And then I go to the raw component layer. For more component layer, I always like to choose the soft light. As you can see, he can give me the life of the photo, just a little bit dark areas on the front, but we can solve it now. But in this case, I can make this as a 20%. And as I can see now, in all the edges and all the color totally change and give like a real look. Maybe even can make it like 25. And then I will use my Z depth, and in the Z depth I can use it as a overlay also, and then just reduce the percentage as 10%, and then he can give me more lights in the font area for this photo. Environment, and can give me the light color of the area of the environment here, so I can use it as a screen, reduce this to 10% to give me the look that I need. And in the final, I can use my geometry normal, and I can use this color that can give me as a screen color with the filter of blurs. So if I will use this as a screen, and from filter I can make this blur like that and reduce this one, let's say 10%, or you can say like 7%. As you can see now, the look how it's show, and we can reduce a little bit saturation to reduce a little bit the color in this area. And as I can see now, after all this filter, the photo look more good. And after this, it's be ready to move to one of the other programs that I will use. So let's save this one, save as. Let's say, okay, gback, cool. And then my other program that I will use, it's Magic Bullet Looks. From here, I will open image file. Okay, this program, it's subdivided to 4 categories for the subject, matte, lens, camera, and post. I will not use too much filters here, but there's some tricks I can use it from this program and can give me totally change look for this photo. So from here, if I will start first with the saturation, so I can reduce a little bit saturation of the photo, like 90%, okay. And I go to the post from here and start to use basic film. And in the basic film, it's need to little bit reduce the intensity and contrast here. So from this line, I need to try to make it more close to the main grid line here. As I can see, he give we look especially in these areas. From this one I can open and close my filter to see it. And then also from the camera, from here I can use three-step process, and three-step process, if I make -1, as I can see now, he already in this process he intends to make more realistic color inside. Even I can see how's the difference here in these areas. And then I need from here, let's try to use normal diffusion. And the normal diffusion, it's like a little bit high, so we can reduce a little bit the glow here. And I think, yeah, it looks more fine. I think we don't need vegan team. No, we can back here to the post and just we can add like our last touch here. It's the color range, and from the color range I just only from shadow filter just go like that to give a little bit warm view. As you can see the difference here for the warm color. So as I can see now, it's ready. Can even see the details, how it's already the photo start to be like more realistic, even in this area for the chair, for all this area, how's the sun come outside. And then we can save this one as an output. Okay. And the last filter that I can use, one of another program, it's called Analog Effect Pro. This is from DxO collection from Nikon camera project. You can download it from the website, and it's already some of items is free and some item by paid, but it gives very good look for these filters for the photos. So if I open the image, open my output, okay, he automatically give you some filters, and in this case he give like, if you wanted to check before and after, so we will use classic camera 3 filter from this program. And as I can see, I can use that one, filter 3. I just need to remove this dirt and scratches. I need my photo more real, and from this one I will make it more soft. Even I don't want too much grain, strength it's okay, and you can a little bit make it faded from this one. And now as I can see how after the photo from Magic Builder looks, it can go to be like that. It's very cool. And then I will save the images. Let's say this one is number 2. And then as I can see, if I get the original photo and the check here, This is my original photo that came as a rendered photo from 3D Max. And this is after we add the Photoshop. And this one after adding the magic bullet looks. And this one, it's the final result regarding to the final program of DxO programs. It can use all these filters, or maybe it can be more calm, but I like to use this how it look when try to make like more classic items. Can give you very nice and very realistic, as I can see in the flooring and all the stainless steel, even give very hard and good look for all the ornaments in the walls and in the ceiling. I hope that it can be useful and can use most of project and give more realistic photo for your projects. Thank you for watching and see you in another tutorial. Don't forget to follow us in AR Arena Design on Instagram. See you.